Hi, welcome to Carter & Haynes, and this is our Vauxhall Cascada 2016-66 with only just over 15,000 miles on the clock, one owner from new. What a thing this is, with some kind of exclusive interior. It is the Elite, so it's the top of the range car. This has 20-inch alloys, and yeah, it's just a hell of a thing. Again, as usual, we love an oddball car here at Carter & Haynes, and this is definitely up there. The car will need the wheels refurbishing, which we will get done the next time the wheelman's here. So they will be done. There's a little tiny mark on the door there. Obviously the car's not new, it is 9 years old. This is the Elite version, so it does have all the spec. It also has a couple of extras on top of that, which are on the advert. I think it's got a reversing camera and some other bits and bobs. It is the 1.4 petrol turbo model. Yeah, it's just cool. And the interior, look at this. It's obviously not going to be to everyone's taste, but I think it's super cool. And they don't make these anymore, as you know, or not know. So, you know, what a cool thing. Yeah, as I say, all the bits and bobs are on there. It looks like it's got some kind of cooled seats and heated seats there. It's got this, the trim colour goes onto the steering wheel, onto the door cards, and on the mats. So it's obviously some kind of exclusive interior of some description that you could have spec'd at the start. I've never seen it, but it just looks cool. But we do offer finance. We take part exchanges. If you go to www.carterandhaynes.co.uk or give us a call on 01244 570 814. Thanks for looking.